Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn update by ID and replace by ID methods. As the name suggests, it is useful to update one record of the database. We can find that record by its primary key value. So inside this ID, we will put the primary key value. So let's see first how many records we have there. We'll simply hit the get all API and we can see we have a record with ID value 2. Now we want to update the payment method. So let's say copy entire object. ID is going to be 2 and in our body payload we will pass the ID and we will keep only those fields which we really want to update. So new method 1, we don't want to update any other fields. Let's keep amount and we are making 202. We'll send that. So amount is updated, payment method is updated and other things are as it is. So it will perform update operation on fields which we are sending in a payload. Other fields will not be affected. It supports overriding primary key field name, so we can update records based on any other field which is unique in table. If that field is not unique, it will find very first record and update it. We can modify data by providing the select and deep values as we saw in our previous videos. When we pass upsert as a true, it will create the record if that does not exist in database. If record is found with that ID, it will update it. Upsert works in all databases except SQL Server. If value of return document is after, it will return updated row or document in a response. If value is before, it will return data which was before performing update operation. Let's see replace by ID method. It is not supported in SQL databases, so switching to MongoDB. Working of this API is same as update by ID, except it will replace entire document in the database. Fields which are not sent in a body payload, those will be removed. Let's see how many customers do we have. We'll pick up the first customer value. We'll go to replace by ID method. We'll remove the ID field from here. And we'll press simply send button. Now we'll remove phone last update and pin code. We'll send that and those values are completely removed from the database. Let's see, like this. No null, no empty string, just removed. This is how replace by ID API works.